Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 grammar success with the composition chapter number 2 countable and uncountable nouns. So if you have not watched chapter number 1, so here look at the screen. So here you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay. So here study the words in the box given below. Separate them into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So here there are some countable and uncountable nouns are provided. So you have to separate the countable as well as the uncountable nouns. So here check. The countable noun means those nouns having plural forms are known as countable nouns. So here check. Then next sky. Then next car. Then radish. Then cop. Then shop. Then rod, then next report, dish, poem, machine, spinach, peace, then onion. Then here uncountable noun means those nouns they don't have any plural forms. So here generosity, vitality, then freedom, then water, salt, anger, then physics, then here pride, smoke, youth, honesty, weight, then iron, then work. So here these are uncountable and here these are countable nouns. Then next here fill in the blanks with the other with the correct option. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here how does dishes are we taking to the picnic? So here as you know here dishes is plural, so you have to use many. How many dishes? Then next here how does salt are we left with? So as you know here the salt is uncountable noun, so we use much for uncountable and many for countable nouns. So here you have to use much. How much salt are we left with? Then next here can I have dash sugar for my tea? So here as you know sugar is also uncountable noun, so you need to use here can I have some. Okay, some as this is a yes no question. So don't use much. In a positive, in affirmative sentence, we use much. So this is a yes no question. So we have to use some. Can I have some sugar for my tea? Then next here, do you have dash money? So here as you know, yes, money is also uncountable noun. And this is a yes no question. So here you have to use some. Do you have some money? So here the third option. The next we have dash days to catch up with our work. We have so here we can't use any much. So here the first one several days. We have several days. The next for making a cake we need dash butter and sugar. So here butter sugar these both so here these two nouns are uncountable. So you have to use your some. For making a cake we need some butter and sugar. Then next, have you heard dash news regarding Ranjan's success? Any. So this is a yes no question, so you have to use any. Have you heard any news regarding Ranjan's success? Not many, not much. So here any. Then next, give me dash a piece of cake. A piece of cake. The next, I prefer to have dash egg for breakfast. So here egg, so you have to use an indefinite article an egg. Then next if there is dash fruit then I will take it. If there is any fruit, first one. Then next here how dash friends of yours are coming for the party? How many friends? So here friends friends countable noun and this is also plural, so you have to use many. Third one. Then next how dash spoons of sugar will you take in your coffee? How many spoons? Then next here please give me dash information of your whereabouts. Some information. First one. Then next here Poonam does not have dash intelligence to pass this exam. So here much. So as you know here intelligence this is abstract noun, so you have to use much intelligence. Second one. Then next here I want to buy dash liter of milk from the market. A liter of milk. First one. Then next here insert a or an wherever required in the following sentences. So here dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. So you know this is a proverb. Okay, an apple a day. Then next he wants to eat an ice cream. According to the pronunciation, we have to use a or an, right? The next, Mohan wants to purchase a geometry box. The next, the Mehraj have an apple, right? Then next here, dash mechanic paid a visit to repair the TV, a mechanic. Then next year, dash boy always prefers to play outside rather than staying at home, a boy. Then next, dash orange in the morning works wonders for the skin, an orange. He has gone to his room to make a painting. Then next year, rewrite the following sentences in the plural form. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here the floor was covered with dust and dirt. The floor. So here floor singular, so you have to write floors. Then according to the subject, you also need to change the verb. So here was, you have to use here were. Then next, there is a sheep in the field. So you know there, right? There is plural are, and a sheep plural sheep. There are sheep in the field, right? There are sheep, not sheep, okay? Sheep in the field. The next here, this ornament is made of gold. This plural, you know these. Then ornament plural ornaments. So you have to add s. Ornaments is plural are. These ornaments are made of gold. The next, is a glass made of steel? Is. So here is singular. So here you have to write are. A glass plural, glasses. Are glasses, okay? Are glasses made of steel? Then next, the scenery of this town is very beautiful. So here scenery as like information. Scenery is also same. Singular, it can be used for both singular and plural. The scenery of these towns. This is singular, so you have to write these. Town plural, towns. Is plural are. Clear? The scenery of these towns are very beautiful. Then next, the fish is swimming in the pond. So here the fish, singular plural same. The fish are swimming in the pond. Then next, he is known for his knowledge. So here he. This is subjective personal pronoun. It's plural, they. They. Each plural are. They are known for his knowledge. So here you have to write their knowledge. Possessive adjective. Okay, they are, not his. Okay, they are known for their knowledge. Then next, she has done her homework. So here she singular. It's a plural, they. Has a plural, have. Done her homework, you have to write there. Clear? So you have to also change the verb as well as the adjective as well as the pronoun. Okay. Then next here, choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here some nouns are provided. So you have to use the appropriate noun. Okay. So here the first one is already provided. Then next, the dash was to be seen in every corner of the house. So here dust. Then next, KD Industries is importing a lot of heavy machinery. Okay, machinery. Then next here, Ram's dash regarding exams proved to be wrong. Ram's information. So here, okay, second one, information. Then next here, good dash helps in facing a steep competition. Good education. Good education. Then next, Pradeep had given enough trouble to his family because of his misbehavior. Then next, teenagers take too much liberty. Okay, liberty with their elders. Then next, we must donate money in charity to the poor. Then next, Piyush was fond of bad company. Then next, the dash of Kashmir is very enchanting, the scenery. Then next here, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the word given in the brackets. The first one has been done for you as an example. He was very kind. So here kind, this is adjective. It's abstract noun kindness. Similarly here loved. Sonu loved his father. Sonu was full of love. Then next, Sumit's father was happy. Happy adjective. So here happiness. Sumit earned the happiness of his father because of his behavior. He was very honest. Honest adjective. It's abstract noun honesty. His honesty was known to everyone. Sita was very polite. Polite, this is adjective. Politeness, this is abstract noun. You have to add a suffix here, okay? Ness, politeness. Made everyone like her. Then next, the teacher had to permit. Permit here verb. So here you have to write. So here you have to write noun. The teacher had to give permission to Meena to go home. Then next, Ankit was cruel. So cruel, adjective. Ankit's cruelty, okay? Cruelty. Then next, we should be patriotic towards our country. So our country expects patriotism. Okay, clear? I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.